Alright, so you're a recruiter looking to level up your game, right? Well, I've got something that will blow your mind, creating your very own job listing board. Imagine having a platform where you can showcase all your job openings in one place, making it easier for candidates to find their dream job. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I even start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. With just a few simple steps, you can have your own job listing board up and running in no time. First things first, you need to sign up for our service. Trust me, it's worth it. Once you're in, it's time to customize your board. Add your company logo, choose your brand colors, and make it look professional. Remember, first impressions matter, especially in the world of recruitment. Next, start posting your job listings. Be clear, concise, and highlight what makes your company stand out. Think of it as your own personal marketing campaign to attract top talent. But here's the best part. Not only can you post your own job listings, but you can also browse through a pool of talented candidates who have signed up on our platform. It's like having your own talent pool right at your fingertips. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to learn more and get started on creating your own job listing board. Trust me, your recruitment game will never be the same. Let's revolutionize the way you recruit, one job listing at a time.